Pay $31 for two. They're on sale now, so if you wanna get your hands on, oh, there. As I said, I bought two of them. TOPGREENER, and here it tells you what to use: iPad, iPhone, Samsung series, Samsung Note, LG, HTC, Nexus, Sony, tablet, Bluetooth, handset, pretty much all kind. And here you can see it, all of them. No? Let's see what we got in here. First that you can see, oh, it's nice, fancy one. USB, as I said. You can just go ahead and plug your phone or iPhone or tablet, whatever. Is easy to install, they said. No, white, neutral there, and hot black, so you don't have to call an electrician for that. You can do it by yourself. Let's see what we have in them. Just the normal settings: black, hot, white, green, round. It's pretty basic. So got your covers, and the other one, as I said, that I bought two for $31 on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can get it if you want. There you can see. Plug a USB. Close on 10. Everything.